do not get me hungry because I'm gonna make all types of food palettes. Let's not talk about food too much. Such a sexy package. I'm describing this right now and I'm hungry. There's no other word that's gonna describe. Heaven is what this is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day that we are revealing Berries and Cream, our third launch from Dominique Cosmetics. And this one is so it's just giving me innocent but sultry vibes. And I am obsessed with this collection. Oh my gosh, here we go. She's right here. This is a palette from Berries and Cream. This is going to be the new, ooh. You know, it just makes you feel a certain type of way. There's so much that goes on before getting to this point. So now that we're here, I'm ecstatic and I'm so excited for you guys to hold her in your hands. Not only is there a Berries and Cream palette, but there are matte liquid lips with Berries and Cream. You can get them individually. You're also gonna have the chance to buy them together in a bundle. So I am like super ecstatic about it. I cannot wait to go through everything. I'm gonna be showing you all the colors, swatching them, the feel and the vibe, and also going to show you our new liquid lips that I'm super excited for you guys to try out. And I'm gonna be just explaining her story because this is such a beautiful collection and it just means so much to me. Perfect timing. It's a beautiful color scheme for this season, but it's not just for the season. You can actually use this throughout the year and it's gonna look beautiful in any setting. So if you wanna see what that's about, what are these colors swatching like, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna jump right into this video and show you guys the bundle box. This is it right here. So this beautiful, gorgeous box is going to be at your door. If you pre-order it on the 16th, you'll get it by the 30th. So all of everything in here will be there with it. It's $80 altogether. You open it up and there's the palette and the two matte lips. You're gonna fall in love with the lips. This is like a new formula that you've never tried and I can't wait for you guys to try it. But the palette will be available to purchase the 16th and it will ship right out to you guys. This is the palette right here. It is so beautiful. It's a really reflective chrome pink and it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then that's the sleeve, so you're not gonna wanna throw away the sleeve. I know, I'm like making you guys save all your packaging. I love creating pretty packaging. It's just one of my favorite things to do. And the back, you're gonna see the colors that you're gonna get. Ingredients are on the back. Obviously, our logo is in the center. The palette is going to be $44. You open it up and it looks like crushed velvet is across the palette. Backstory, I initially wanted something more velvety, like to touch, but I couldn't really find a way to create this gradient with actual velvet. We still have a really nice texture, soft texture on the palette, but you can see how it looks like crushed velvet. It's just so sultry and delicious. I think this is such a delicious palette. I am gonna make you guys become product packaging hoarders. You're gonna have everything from Dominique Cosmetics. Not gonna be able to throw anything away. When you open it up, we have some super exciting news. Are you ready for this? Oh my God. Okay, so you open it up and you have 12 shadows with a new pan shape. This pan shape is so nice. I love this pan shape. So excited for you guys to see this pan shape. So it's still the nice large pan size that we love, but it's just a new shape. You're still gonna be able to fit a face brush in here. You're gonna be able to do so many things with it. We are always gonna stay true to our large pan size, but you just get a new beautiful shape that I really love. And with this palette, you're gonna get more mattes, and that's because I wanted you guys to really have a nice gradient and really beautiful depth and definition in your eye. And I don't want it to be hard to mix colors together to get to that point. So you'll get 8 matte shades, and then these 3 right here are shimmers, and this one right here is a matte with gold flecks in it. So it goes onto the eye as a matte shade, but you're gonna also see those individual gold flecks. It almost looks like gold, little soft gold glitter. So beautiful. So the first color I'm gonna talk about is Soft and Sweet. Soft and Sweet is a mauvey taupe color. This is one of the shades that you can wear all over the eye daily. It's very soft and pretty, or you can use this as a crease shade, the base to your gradient eye look, and it flows well with every single color in this palette. It could be any crease shade, it could be all over the lid, it could be used in so many ways. You're gonna absolutely love this pinky mauve taupe color. And then right next to it, we have Bittersweet. Bittersweet is a matte fuchsia, kind of magenta looking shade. And this I love to wear in the crease, but you can wear it all over the lid as well. I absolutely love to layer soft and sweet. I actually have it on my eye right now. I like to layer soft and sweet and then Bittersweet right below it. So soft and sweet is still peeking through. And then you can take one of the darker shades and just keep layering. The gradient you're gonna get out of this on your eye is gonna look so gorgeous. Like it's so easy. Like you don't even have to think about it. It just kind of flows together. You look at it and you can tell like, okay, I know what to use. I know what I'm gonna do. And it's gonna look good on everyone. Like you don't have to even put very much thought into it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, so the next shade we're gonna talk about is Toasted. Toasted is a taupey gray color, and this is beautiful as a contour. I actually want this as my contour, like in a larger pan, but you can fit your face brush in there, contour your nose. You can contour your face with it depending on your skin tone. So this for me is a beautiful contour, and that's a matte shade. You can use that in the crease. Just if you want more of like a soft, everyday kind of look, you can do soft and sweet, and then you can really contour your depth right in the crease with Toasted. You can have a very natural but beautiful eye look with those two shades if you're more on the subtle side, if you want like just an everyday kind of contoured eye look. And Sweet Cream is a matte pale pink. Once you apply it, it does give you a lighter, like almost a soft white but pink hint in it. And I really love to use this on the lid. I just created an eyeshadow look for you guys. Soft and sweet, contour your eye with Toasted, Sweet Cream on the lid. Whoa. Add a liner and girl, you're ready to go. Like this is such a beautiful everyday kind of look. You have so many pops of color, but so many neutrals, in warm neutrals and cool tone neutrals in this palette. You can literally use this every day of your life. And that is my goal when creating these shadows in these palettes. I want them to be universal, multi-purpose shadows. I never want to feel like, oh, I just have to use this on my eyes. Definitely not. With Sweet Cream, I like to use that on my brow bone as a highlight. I like to use it on the inner corners if I want more of a matte highlight. And for some skin tones, you're gonna wanna use this under your eye to brighten the eye. Or if you wanna just set the entire eye with just a soft little dash of this all over the eye, it's really great as a base. So now we have Chocolate Mousse. When I look at it, I wanna say like chocolate chip cookie, but I feel like that name was way too long. So Chocolate Mousse is a rich, buttery chocolate brown. It is so beautiful. It's a deep brown too. It doesn't even look that deep, but when you actually apply it to the eye, it's a pretty intensely deep brown. So if you want more of a soft, hazy kind of brown, use a fluffier brush for that and just apply it all over the eye or on the outer corners. For me today, I actually put it right around the cut crease and really created drama with that. And then with Warm Pie, this one is really exciting for me because it is a shade that I didn't think of until I actually got in the lab and I'm like, wait, we gotta mix these two together and make it heaven. So Warm Pie is a matte shade. You put it on the eye, it's matte, but there are glitter flecks in this. It doesn't mesh into one and become a shimmer or a metallic. It sits on the eye individually and it's so pretty. And then you have Honey Dipped. Honey Dipped is a metallic and it's very soft, very creamy. You can use a flat shader brush to apply it, but it just looks so much more intense if you use a synthetic brush or like a flat synthetic brush or your finger. I mean, Honey Dip you can wear on your lid, you can wear on your inner corner, wear as a highlight. You can carve out your eyelid and then pop it on top and bam, it's just like gold heaven. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful gold, looks great on everyone. And then Sugar Cookie. Sugar Cookie is a pale pink and it's basically Sweet Cream's sister, but as a shimmer. I actually have her on my inner corners right now, but inner corners, lid, brow bone, that looks really great there. Just depends on what kind of day you want to have. You want it to be a little bit more glam, you can pop that on the lid. Then we have Cranberry. Cranberry is a shimmer as well. Like whenever I think of warmth, I think of warm pie, chocolate mousse, cranberry. Like cranberry is perfect for the season. This is an everyday of your life palette. Keep that in mind. The cranberry I have on my lid right now, and it's an intense shimmery shade. It's so beautiful. I actually have concealer underneath it, and then I popped cranberry right on top, so it's really intense. But alone, it's intense. You don't need a primer, but you should use a primer. You don't want any unevenness with your skin or any oil on your eyelid. So I do prefer that you guys use a concealer. I personally don't like using primers. I think they're too drying, and it's kind of, sometimes it's hard to even move your eyeshadow around. But when you use a concealer, it's just more comfortable on the eye. And then you use a pressed, like a loose translucent powder right on top of that. And then you go in with these shadows, or you can use sweet cream as a setting one. Cranberry is basically beautiful everywhere on your face. I love cranberry, but I have her on my lid right now. You can put on her lower lash line. She's just a beautiful shimmery color, perfect for the season. Then we have Blueberry Muffin. Blueberry Muffin makes me want to go bake with my mom for Christmas. This just gives me that vibe, that super warm, cozy vibe. This is a cobalt blue, and it's like a deep cobalt blue. It's very intense, very creamy. It glides on the eye so beautifully. I love this all over the lid. It looks so good, like all over the entire lid as like a bam, or on the lower lash line if you want to keep it subtle. This blue mixes well with all of these shades because they all have some type of blue undertone. So it just goes perfect with everything in this palette. The next color we have is Cherry Juice. Cherry Juice is literally, when I think of a cherry, just like squeezing a cherry, dark juice that comes out of it is this color right here. This is what I think of in my dream. It's a matte and it's festive. This to me is the new brown, this color right here. It's a deeper plum, rich cherry color, and I just want to eat it, to be honest. I'm describing this right now and I'm hungry. You know what? Do not get me hungry because I'm gonna make all types of food palettes. Let's not talk about food too much. Cherry Juice, I like to define my eyes with. The outer corners, the crease, all over the lid is so glam. Like you need to be going somewhere if you're wearing Cherry Juice all over the lid. Like it's that type of night. Cherry Juice with cranberry on top, or Cherry Juice with honey dipped. There's something about reds, like a warm red on the eye, that just makes the look so sultry. Like it's so sultry and so beautiful. But now we're gonna move on to Blackberry. Blackberry is a black, it's a matte black in the palette. This is for the drama, smoking it out, adding the drama, intensifying the eye. This is a glam. She's a glam girl. She's ready to party. The vixen of the colors. And together, like all of these warm, deep shades are so beautiful and sultry. And then you have the light, creamy, soft, sweet, innocent shades, and they're ready for just everything. Every day, they're ready to wear every day. They're your first dates, the girl next door, and then you have the glam, glitzy girl, and she's just ready for all the holiday parties. Then we're gonna talk about these two matte liquid lips. The lips will be available for pre-order on the 16th, but they will ship to you on the 30th, but you can still get them before they're gone. $18 each, just everything you've ever wanted in a matte liquid lip. This one is creamy pink. On the box, it'll have the color of the liquid lip on top. It has the same pink chrome foil on the outside outlined, and then it has that crushed velvet look to it. Such a sexy package. All of my mattes in anything that I create in the future are going to have this frosted matte look and feel to it. When you touch it, it actually is kind of plushy outside, kind of mimics the inside formula, very plushy, cushiony, matte, and that is what you're getting with any liquid matte lip that we create. Who knows, we might be coming out with some new ones soon. Creamy pink is sweet and innocent. She's the girl next door. This has the berries and cream on the front, the same pink chrome. And now we're gonna open it. We're gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. When you take it out, the brush is pointed, And it is pointed because I want you guys to be able to line your lips and get that lip shape that you want with it. It's so opaque. It's gonna really fill in with color. So you can line your lips with this. At the same time, it's really nice and flat. So you can just apply it evenly on the lip. And that formula, when I say cushion, I mean cushion. Like, I am gonna show you my lips now. You see how it kind of like bounces? It bounces because it has that stretch-like technology in it that just flows with your lips. And it also is hydrating. You're never gonna have a dry lip, comfortable, matte, liquid lip. So that's what this is. It's a very cushiony, comfortable matte lip. It's called cream matte lip. It's not gonna fly off of your lips. It's not going to bleed down into your skin. It's going to sit where you put it. I just wanna put this on top of a cupcake, like a creamy pink frosting. Now I'm gonna show you guys Plumberry. Plumberry also has the same shade as the color inside. It's not off. I hate when I get a lip and it's totally off in color and it just does not make any sense. It is true to color with the outside of the lip, so you know what you're getting before you open the package. This is the sultry one. Plumberry is a vixen. She is super sultry. It is just such a deep, beautiful plum color that I cannot resist, and I can't wait for you to try them. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you to try them. I know you guys are gonna love it. It's a sultry and sweet collection together, perfect for the holidays. It's gonna warm your heart and it's easy to use. You're gonna have beautiful gradient looks, celebrity style makeup without even trying. Every formula that we do in this eyeshadow palette, it's always evolving to something better and greater. When I create a new shade, I have to test it because the formula changes a little bit with the color that you choose. I'm always making the formula better and more soft, more buttery. So it's always going to continue to evolve into this better, beautiful formula. It's never going to be the exact same for every shade, and every shade is unique. The next video that I post will be an actual makeup tutorial using the collection, and I can't wait to do that because I'm in love with this collection. I can't wait to play with it in front of you guys, but today I just wanted to talk to you about the story, talk to you about the formula, the colors, and give you all the information that you need and swatch for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I want you to know that you keep inspiring me. You inspire my life and mean the world to me, and I hope that I can be in your home. I hope that we can be in your home because she's basically, we're the same person. So I'm gonna be visiting your home soon. I'm so excited for you guys to receive the collection, the palette, the lips, everything. And yeah, I can't wait for you to slay. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye guys.